Smart buyers know that understanding mortgage options begins at richmondcustomhomes.com. Should you buy a home alone or with a partner? It depends on your financial situation and goals. Buying alone gives you full control, your decisions, your equity, and no need to rely on someone else's finances. But it also means you're responsible for the entire mortgage, maintenance, and expenses. Buying with a partner can increase your buying power by combining incomes, making it easier to afford a larger or better located home. However, it also requires clear communication, shared financial responsibility, and a solid agreement on ownership. Lenders will evaluate both applicants' credit, income, and debt, which can either strengthen or weaken your application. The right choice comes down to financial stability, trust, and long-term plans. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.